Welcome back. In the previous few steps, we learned a lot of basics about object-oriented programming, state, behavior, constructors, encapsulation, and a lot of such stuff. One of the important things to remember is that in Python, everything is an object. What do I mean? What do I mean by everything is an object? When we create even a simple value like 5, so I'm creating 5 as a value, right? So if you do type of 5, what does it say? It says it's of type int. So there is a class called int in Python, and when you say 5, what it's doing is it's creating an instance of that class. So 5 is actually an object of a class int. Now if I say type of true, what happens? It says it's of type Boolean class. So true is an instance of a class called Boolean. Type of a piece of text. What's the type? It's of type str. Earlier, we saw that we were able to invoke methods on hello. I can say hello.upper, right? Why is it allowed? Because hello is an object and I can call methods that are defined in the class which the object belongs to. Hello belongs to string class, and in string class there is a method called upper defined. And what is it printing? Hello with a caps. That's why it's allowing me to call methods. The same is the case with a floating point value as well. The floating point value belongs to a class float. So this 5.5 is an instance. It's an object of the class float. Everything that you see in Python is a object. The interesting part comes when we talk about methods. Right? We created methods earlier, right? So we said def do something. Let's create an empty method. Pass. Right? That's how we create empty methods. If you type in do something, what does it say? It says function do something at a specific address. The thing is, this is also an object. You can actually define a method, do something. Let's say it prints something. Now, if I do something, you can see that it's at a new address. But the important thing is, when you call do something, what would happen? It would execute the method and print something. The thing is, even this do something is a object. You can take it and assign to another variable. So let's say I want to, instead of do something, I would want to give it a new name. Test is equal to do underscore something. So I'm taking a function. So do something, what is it? It's a function. I'm taking it and giving it to another variable. And if I say test, it would say now test refers to a function. And I can even execute it with this name. You can see that when I say test and parenthesis, it's printing something. Isn't that very interesting? This is possible because even function is an object in Python. The most important thing to understand from this specific video is in Python, everything is an object. The constant values that you create are objects of specific classes. The functions you create, the methods you create are also instances. I hope you had an interesting time in this section learning about the basics of object-oriented programming. I'll see you in the next section. Until then, bye-bye.